How do you feel today?
Feelings are an important part of life.
We feel happy, sad, excited, or tired.
Today, we learn how to talk about feelings in English.
Simple English for real life. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we talk about feelings.
Talking about your feelings.
First question. Tom, how do you feel today?
Today, I feel happy.
Good sentence. Repeat slowly.
I feel happy.
Listeners, repeat after Tom.
I feel happy.
Excellent. Now another feeling. Sad.
Sad.
Sad means you are not happy.
Example sentence. I feel sad.
Good. Now another feeling. Excited.
Excited.
Excited means very happy and full of energy.
Example sentence. I feel excited.
Very good. Now another feeling. Tired.
Tired.
Tired means you need rest.
Sentence. I feel tired.
Listeners, repeat.
Happy. Sad. Excited. Tired.
Excellent. Tom, when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I see my friends.
Good answer. Say it again slowly.
I feel happy when I see my friends.
Very good. Now a new feeling. Nervous.
Nervous.
Nervous means you feel worried or stressed.
Example sentence. I feel nervous before an exam.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat.
I feel nervous before an exam.
Good. Now another feeling. Angry.
Angry.
Angry means very upset.
Example sentence. I feel angry when people are rude.
Good. Now another feeling. Calm.
Calm.
Calm means relaxed and peaceful.
Sentence. I feel calm when I listen to music.
Excellent. Now let's practice a dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, Tom. How do you feel today?
Today, I feel great.
Why do you feel great?
Because the weather is nice.
Good answer. Another example. Hello, Tom. How do you feel today?
I feel a little tired.
Why are you tired?
Because I worked late last night.
Very natural conversation. Listeners, repeat.
I feel tired today.
Excellent. Now let's talk about happiness.
Happiness is a good feeling.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family.
Very nice.
Family time makes me happy.
Listeners, repeat.
Family time makes me happy.
Great. Now another question. What makes you excited?
Traveling makes me excited.
Good answer.
I feel excited when I travel.
Excellent. Now another feeling. Worried.
Worried.
Worried means you think about problems.
Example sentence. I feel worried about my exam.
Excellent. Another example. I feel worried about my job interview.
Job interviews can be stressful.
Yes, but practice helps.
Practice gives confidence.
Now let's learn a useful question. How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Repeat again.
How are you feeling?
This is a common question.
Yes, people ask this often.
Example conversation. Hi, Tom. How are you feeling?
I feel good today.
That's great.
Thank you.
Another example. Hi, Tom. How are you feeling?
I feel a little stressed
Why?
because I have a lot of work.
That happens sometimes.
Yes, but rest helps.
Very true. Now let's talk about relaxing.
Relaxing helps our feelings.
What helps you relax?
Listening to music helps me relax.
Good answer.
I also like walking in the park.
That sounds peaceful.
Nature helps me feel calm.
Listeners, repeat.
Walking helps me relax.
Excellent. Now let's review the feelings we learned today.
Review time.
Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
excited,
excited,
tired,
tired,
nervous,
nervous,
angry,
angry,
calm,
calm,
worried.
worried.
Excellent work today.
Great job, everyone.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes.
Comment below.
Tell us how you feel today.
Do you feel happy?
Do you feel excited?
Or maybe tired?
Practice speaking about your feelings.
Talking about feelings helps communication.
And it helps you learn English faster.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.